Now we written hello world program of the Python. People will have question keep on, okay, we have the Java language, C language, C++ language, Python language, and number of things, right? Which language is best? As a data scientist, I will be saying as Python is the best. But reality also Python is best because let us write hello world program in C language. Let us write hello world program in C++. Let us write hello world program in Java and see which is easy now. Shall we write it? Let us go and try to use same VS Code because this VS Code is going to work for any language almost. So I would like to write a C language hello world program. Let's see how many lines of code you have to write it. At least in Python, how many lines of code you have to write it here? Only one line, right? Only one line of code is enough to write here hello world in Python. I can write something like this, then I can right click and I can run here, run Python file in terminal. We'll able to see the hello world, we'll able to see it. We'll able to see hello world, we'll able to see it. Here it is running. So now what you're seeing? Hello world, we're able to see it. So what I'm trying to say is very easily we are writing in Python, only one line of code. If I want to write same thing in C language, how we are going to write it? Let us write the C language hello world program. Hello world in C language. C language extension is what? .c. The moment I am putting here C, it is identified as C language or not? C language. Then we need to include here libraries. We need to include here that is called as include then stdio.h. Okay. Then we need to initiate here on main function mandatory. We have to initiate here main function. Then followed by that one, we have to write here body part. We have to write here. In this body part, we have to write here printf. Then we need to write here hello world. We have to write here. This much of code is mandatory. This much of code is mandatory in case if you want to write the hello world program in C language. If I want to run this one, save this, then try to run it. Now we'll able to see it is running here in the bottom. You can notice what we got here. Hello world, we got it. Now you tell me writing one line code is easy or writing these many lines of code is easy? One line code is easy, right? That much of difference is there. In Python, writing the code is very easy comparatively other languages. Shall we go and write same hello world program in CPP, that is C language, C++? Okay, let us write here, create one more file. I am trying to say as hello world in C++. The extension is what? .cpp. CPP. .cpp is the extension. You can also see here, we got here immediately what we got? C++, we got it. Enter. Now we'll able to see C++ window is opened for you. It is a C++ window. It is a C++ window. Instead of typing, why can't you can go and you can search here and copy and paste over there. Right? So C++ hello world program. I am searching here. We are going to get directly code. We are going to get it. Let me copy that code and paste over there. Okay. I will be able to see some code is available. That's called as, this guy is too much code editor. Okay. Let me take the small code. Okay. Okay. Let's take the here small code. Include this one. Now tell me, this code looks like a bit harder or not? It looks like a bit harder, and you can say right click and run code. We're able to see the hello world. However, if I want you to write it at least 2 or 3 times, you have to practice it. Then only you'll able to write it. But in case of Python hello world program, just like that, immediately you'll able to produce it, right? That is the difference. Suppose same hello world program, if I want to write in the Java, how I can write it? You can go and try to write here in Java also same way. Let us say hello world in Java dot, what is the extension file? Java. Excellent. Java. So I written here Java, immediately it is recognized as is Java. This also go and try to Google it. You'll get the Java Hello World program. Java Hello World program. Now you can notice Java Hello World program. Okay, I have here some Java point. Let us take from here. Okay, let's take this. The site has so many things to load it. That's why it's taking time. Let us go and try to write the same thing here. So we are trying to write here same thing, class simple, then public, static, void, main, this bracket what it is doing, this bracket what it is doing, these are all things we have to learn about it. Okay, too much of work is available here. Okay, let me select it. We selected, let's say we selected here, and if you want to run it, you can run it. It seems to be, if you have the Java libraries enabled, here itself will get a run button even. In my mission, it looks like it is not enabled. However, by seeing the code itself, you tell me, which is easy. C is easy, or C++, or Python, or what is that? Python. Here now it is loaded here, run button, now I am able to see it. If I click on this run button, now this code also going to run, it is going to display hello Java, it is going to display here. So trying the new cross-platform PowerShell, and it's going to show you, what is this? Hello Java. Wow, beautiful. Using VS Code IDE, you have got chance to develop C Hello World program, C++ Hello World program, Java Hello World program, and Python Hello World program. And each and everything, whatever you are typing, we are getting guidelines automatically. Now, can I say this IDE is excellent? Yes. So down the line, I prefer to use this VS Code IDE. Along with me, you're also going to get your hands more dirty with this IDE only. Thank you. Please write some programs using this IDE.